anti-discrimination students movement, which is called Students Against Discriminations. In Bengali, it is called Boishomya Birodhi Chhatro Andolon. Anti-discrimination students movement is a politically non-affiliate platform of students activists in Bangladesh, formed in 2024 during national-wide students-led quota reform movement. The group was involved in the ousting of country's former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on 5th August 2024 through the Students' People's Uprising. It is an umbrella organization. It works on building the political range of Bangladesh, though it is a non-political organization. On 22 October 2024, the Students Against Discriminations and the Jatiya Nagorik Committee jointly announced a 5-point demand, advocating for sweeping political and constitutional changes to dismantle what they describe as a fascist political settlement and replace it with a democratic one. History of Anti-Discrimination Students Movement. The organization was created on 1st July 2024. On 8th July 2024, it announced a 65 members committee comprising 23 coordinators and 42 co-coordinators to make the movement as successful after its creation. On 3rd August, after the agitation grew in scale, the group formed a 158-member coordination team with students from various educational institutions, of which 49 were coordinators and 109 were co-coordinators. Since its inception, several coordinators have been seen at the helm of the group. Among them are Nahid Islam, Rifat Rashid, students of International Relations Department of University, Sajjid Alam, students of Zoology Department of Dhaka University, Hasnat Abdullah, Asif Mahmood and Abu Bakr Majumdar of English Department, Arif Shuhel, students of Jahangirnagar University and others. The protesters under the banner of Anti-Discrimination Students Movement continuously organized 4-point demands on 1st July 2024 in support of reform on civil service reservation quotas in Bangladesh. From 2 to 6 July, students of various institutions helped protest human change, highway blockades, etc. in different parts of the country. On 7th July, the platform called for the Bangla blockade, under which students staged demonstration, marches, civil disobedience and blockades of highway and railways. One of the group's coordinators, Abu Said of Rangpur's Begum Ruqayya University, was shot and killed by the police on 16 July 2024. This anti-discrimination students movement gained momentum when private university students joined on July 16. In response to the escalating quota reform movement, the government mandated the closure of all educational institutions on July 16, 2024. Subsequently, on July 17, students residing in dormitories at public universities across the nation, including Dhaka University, were compelled to vacate their accommodations. However, due to the permanent residency of a significant portion of private university students in Dhaka, their presence within the city noticeably increased on July 18. On this date, a students' confrontation occurred between law enforcement and students affiliated with a Brock University and East West University in the Rampur area. Simultaneously, students from AIUB, North South University, Independent University, Bangladesh and UIU staged demonstration along with Kuril Bisho Road and Pragati Soroni. Concurrently, protests were initiated by students from Ahsanullah University of Science and Technology, Bangladesh University of Textile, Southeast University in Mohali, area and Northern University in the Uttara region. The group spearheaded a nationwide uprising, advocating for political change and successfully promoting the resignation of the Awami League leadership on August 5, 2024. On 8 August 2024, Nahid Islam and Asif Mahmood, two members of the group, were appointed as advisors in the interim government led by Dr. Yunus. After the Yunus interim government took responsibility of Bangladesh administrations, the group announced a liaison committee to work on the new political arrangement. On the same day, it announced a new coordination team. As of August 2024, members of the organization were suggesting the formation of the political party within a month. On 22 October 2024, the organization announced a 4-member central convener committee during press conference at the Central Shahid Minar. Hasnat Abdullah was made convener. Asif Suhail, member secretary. Asif Suhail, member secretary, and Abdul Hannan Masood, chief organizer, and Umama Fatima, the spokesperson of the committee. Founding coordinators. On 8 July 2024, the organization announced a 65 members coordination committee as their first committee. The committee includes 1. Nahid Islam. 2. Sajid Salam. 3. Hasnat Abdullah. 4. Asif Mahmood. 5. Mahin Sirkar. 6. Abdul Khadir. 7. Abu Bakr Majumdar. 8. Abdul Hannan Masood. 9. Adnan Abir. 10. Jaman Mridha. 11. Muhammad Shuhag Mia. 12. Nusrat Tabassum. 13. Rafia Rehnuma Riddi. 14. Mumtahina Mahjabin Mohana. 14. Mumtahina Mahjabin Mohana. 15. Anika Tahsina. 16. Umama Fatima. 17. Kausar Mia. 18. Nusrat Tabassum. 19. Asif Suhail, Jahangirnagar University. 20. Russell Ahmed, Chittagong University. 21. Asad Al Ghalib, Shahjalal University and Technology. 22. The Tawheed Ahmed Ashik, Sheri Bangla Agriculture University. 23. Sabina Yasmin, Eden Women's College. Coordinators. 1. Nahid Islam. 2. Sajid Salam. 3. Asif Mahmood. 4. Mahfuz Alam, Liaison Committee. 5. Rifat Rashid. 6. Hasnat Abdullah, Convener. 7. Abu Bakr Majumdar. 8. Abdul Hannan Masood. 9. Abu Saim. 10. Arif Suhail. 11. Khan Talat Mahmud Rafi, Chittagong. 12. Nusrat Tabassum. 13. Abdul Qadir. 14. Mahin Sarkar. 15. Hasib Al Islam. 16. Umama Fatima, spokesperson. 17. Abdullah Salihin Ayon. And the information which is related to this organization: Students People's Uprising, 24 Mass Uprising in Bangladesh, Julai Shahid Shriti Foundation, Welfare Organization in Bangladesh, Jatiyo Nagorik Committee, Bangladeshi Political Platform, Ganotantrik Chhatra Shakti, Students Organization in Bangladesh, Private University Students Alliance of Bangladesh, PUSAB, Students Organization in Bangladesh.